Focus on the future. Stop gazing in the past. You see, anything where you are going in the past, got trouble, and let it mess up your head, and mash up your day, and make you feel not good, let it go. Don't go back in the past, go trouble it. It already gone. What happened in the past, happened and gone. You can't go back in the past. Go undo what you did. You have to fix that in the future. That means, say, if you do something in the past, where you know, say, that never did good when we do, correct yourself in the future. By only knowing that, you will never do such thing again. Let it go. Free up your mind. Free up your efforts. Life is precious, and them say it's short. But one thing I can tell you, you see, when you're all in a good meds and your heavens free, may I tell you, man, it's a joyful feelings. But just when you're going to the past, go dig up things, whatever it is, will disturb your meds and disturb your spirit and disturb your soul and disturb your vibes, that feelings, they're not nice. So stop it. Don't go back in the past. Go trouble where you're not for trouble. Hear me tell you? Right, so. Think positive. Lego negativity. Positivity, we say. Right, so. Me, Shakin Morris said that.